Hey, I'm Angela from PC Mag. Today we're at CES 2023. Woo! I'm taking you around the show floor to find some of the coolest smart home tech. Let's go. You guys are never gonna believe what I'm standing in front of. Guess what it is? You're not gonna know. It's a refrigerator. This is the LG Mood Up. It features LED panels on the front that you can change and customize via an app anytime you want. It supports something like 1,800 different color combinations, and it has a Bluetooth speaker inside that syncs with the colors for kitchen discos. So this is cool. This is a new Samsung SmartThings station. This is a smart home hub. And one of the things I like about it, it's not just a smart home hub, it's also a wireless phone charger. So you put your phone on there and it's already charging my phone. And if you have a Samsung phone, it will fast charge it. Otherwise, if you have an iPhone, it's just regular speed. It has a little button on the top of this, and you can customize this in the SmartThings app to run 3 different automations. Tap, a double tap, or a press and hold. And depending on what you do, if you tap it, it'll run one automation. Double tap, run your other automation. Press and hold, it'll run your other automation. So it makes it easy to customize your smart home. We couldn't leave out a robot vacuum because we know that you guys love robot vacuums, and the coolest one we've seen at CES is right here. This is the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. We reviewed last year's model, the S7 Pro Ultra. This year, okay, I'll tell you what it still has. Automatic emptying with the dust bag here. Automatic mop refilling. You have the clean water tank here. And then automatic mop cleaning where you have the dirty water tank. So the mop will transfer the contents of the dirty water tank into here and then refill itself with clean water. Now, the new feature for this year is automatic mop drying. So it has a heater under here in the base, and it will blow hot air up onto the mopping cloth to dry this so that it's not going to be sitting there wet, creating bacteria and viruses and yucky smells. It's going to smell nice every time you want to mop your floors with this thing. Another cool feature is you have the dual rollers, and you'll see there's no bristles on there. These are fins, and these rollers, they roll towards each other. And so this helps prevent hair from getting wrapped around the roller, which is a big problem with robot vacuums. If you have long hair like me, you'll know you always get hair wrapped all around it. But with these fins and this dual roller system, that should be less of a problem. We're excited to test this one, so stay tuned for our full review. We gotta bring you this other product. It's not really smart home. It's sort of a mixture of smart home and health, okay? But it's very interesting, so you guys are gonna wanna know about it. This is the Withings U-Scan. I'm sitting here by a toilet because this is a device that goes inside of your toilet, and it has a little cartridge in it. What it does is you pee on this and it analyzes your urine. So depending on the cartridge, it will analyze different aspects of your health. Right now they have cartridges for metabolism and for women, menstrual cycle, but they're working to create other cartridges to analyze different aspects of your health as well. It's like an at-home health lab. Super interesting. We're excited to test it out. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining us here on the CES 2023 show floor. For more, be sure to check out our roundup of the best smart home tech at CES on PCMag.com.